Hello, dear friends. A very good, warm greetings from Dr. P.K. Devan, Professor Mechanical Engineering, RMK College of Engineering and Technology. So, in this video, we are going to briefly discuss about evolution of electronics in automotive systems. In day-to-day life, we are coming across many systems in household appliances, tractors, lorries, buses, cars, two-wheelers, and other hospital things. Many things we are coming across in day-to-day life. Everywhere we are finding the application of engineering. Even in medicine, we are finding the application of engineering. In all the sectors, we are finding the application of engineering. Many people are thinking that in automobile, mechanical is a major component. Yes, mechanical, of course, it is a major component. In addition to that, nowadays, electronics is occupying most of the control over the mechanical components. The experts are saying that 80% of the functionalities of an automobile is carried out by electronics. That's why the subject here we are having is termed as automotive electronics. In the automotive electronics, how it has evolved to the present situation from 1930s, 1970s. 100 years back, how the automobile was, how the control was, how actuators and sensors have come into play now. So, we are going to discuss briefly about those important points. So, in the coming slides, we are going to discuss about how it has come from the basic electrical, electronics, computer, and IA. Now we have artificial intelligence control over automobiles. Now slowly AI is taking control over all the sectors, not only automobile sector, all the sectors are taken care by artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, all those things are coming nowadays into play. So the initial era of automobile sector was not of much electronics, pure of mechanical. All the mechanical components, moving components, stationary components, all components are of mechanical. Heavy weight, the vehicle will be of heavy and maintenance will be of high and mileage will be less. Operation maneuverability are somewhat difficult in olden days. How it has come into the present situation? Since the 1911, the electric starter motor was introduced by Charles Kettering of Cardinalic Motor Company, who was the first person to introduce a starter motor in automobiles. Even now we have the starter motors in our automobiles. That was the invention of the scientist Charles. That time he has used the starter motor to rotate the engine flywheel, thereby initiating the movement of piston cylinder and actuating the movement of the vehicle. Cranking of manual cranking. Manual cranking was eliminated in the 20th century beginning itself by introducing the starter motor. The design and functional principles of the electric starter motor have remained unaltered since its invention. Even today we have the functional principles of electric motor remains the same. However, more power management, efficient power management and enhancements like integrated starter generators are featured in modern combustion engine vehicles. See, if you look at this diagram picture, the photograph of a starter motor, we have the solenoid. Now also we have the solenoid. A starter gear is there. Starter control terminal, battery cable terminal. How it is getting operated? We have the battery. From the battery, we are getting the current voltage to operate the starter motor. So that's why we are showing the battery cable. So it is connected to the battery cable. So through the battery we are getting the power to operate the starter motor. The starter motor gear is connected to the pinion of flywheel. The pinion of flywheel and starter motor gear are interlinked or engaged, so that when the starter gear rotates, the pinion rotates, flywheel rotates. When the flywheel rotates, it will automatically move the piston up and down. So the combustion will be initiated and the engine will be in a running condition and vehicle will be moving. So this is the starter motor. It has evolved and now it has come to the complexity and less weight and more advanced, and we can have the control over operation of a starter motor using sensors and actuators and other things. So if you look at this picture, how we can easily understand how it has evolved for all the operations. Now we have for all the operations, for park assist we have the ultrasound, to have the surround views we have the cameras, for surround view for park assistance we have the another camera, traffic alert, lane departure warning. If the vehicle is departing from the lane, we will get the alarm, you are moving in a wrong path. Such alarms are coming in. Emergency braking, collision avoidance, pedestrian direction, and adaptive cruise control. Long range radar also inbuilt in the recent automobiles, so we can have accident free, emission free automobiles on the road. So that is the most advantages of electronics in automobile sector. So slowly we have come. Now we have the entertainment, infotainment inside the car. Entertainment is there, infotainment is there, internet we have, and anti-lock braking systems we have, CRDA we have, many things we have. So with this introduction, let me close this. Thank you for listening. Thank you.